Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Sandal College Boys Section Online Class 7. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Here is Akhtar Said, your English teacher. Today is lecture number 20, Unit 1, Text 2. Name of the unit is No, that's a poem you know. Page number 16. We'll start with Part C. Part C is Learning about Language. We'll discuss pronouns today. Here comes the definition. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. I repeat, a pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Because of pronouns, we don't have to repeat the noun while writing. So, pronouns beautify your writing. Let's see some examples. First of all, Ali is my friend. He is my class fellow. The definition is pronoun replaces a noun. What is the noun here? Yes, Ali is a pronoun here. And what is the word that is replacing Ali? Yes, that is he. He is replacing Ali. He is pronoun. Number 2. The boys are playing well. They will win the match. Can you tell me what is the noun here? The boys is a noun and they is a pronoun that is replacing the boys. Let's see another example. My sister is an intelligent girl. She got a position in the examination. Can you tell me what is a noun here? Yes, my sister is a noun here and the word that is replacing my sister is, yes, she. She is replacing my sister. So she is a pronoun that is replacing noun my sister. Dear students, you might have seen Ali is masculine. So there is a masculine pronoun. My sister is feminine. There is a feminine pronoun she. And the boys is a plural noun. For plural noun we use they. Adjective pronouns can be in singular and plural form and in masculine and feminine form. He, they, she are called personal pronouns. Why they are called personal pronouns? Because he, they, she refer to nouns. They are using in place of persons. All are persons. That's why they are called personal pronouns. They are of different types. Now we will discuss different types of pronoun. First person pronoun, second person pronoun and third person pronoun. First person is a person speaking. Second person is a person spoken to. Third person is a person spoken of or spoken about. First person बात करने वाले को कहते हैं, सेकंड पर्सन जिससे बात की जाए एंड थर्ड पर्सन जिसके बारे में बात की जाए. Now next step is, as I told you, that's all the personal pronouns are in singular and plural form. First person singular, first person plural, second person singular, second person plural, third person singular, third person plural. Now discuss the pronouns. I is subjective case. Subjective case means subject is called the doer of the action. I can do some action. As I can say, I wrote this action. I wrote this essay. I did something. I wrote an essay. I is the doer of the action here. That's why it is called subjective case. Then possessive case are of two kinds: possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. You know, adjective is a word that describes a noun. Or adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun. So my is possessive adjective here because it is always used before a noun, just before a noun. As I can say, it is my book. My here is possessive adjective as my adds something to the meaning of a noun, that is book. Or my describes book. Mine is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun pronoun is that is used after a pronoun or be form. Be form is, am, are, was, were. As I can say, it is mine, or I can say, this book is mine. I cannot use this is mine book. I can say this is my book. The pronoun that is used just before a noun is called possessive adjective, and the pronoun that is used after a pronoun are be form. As I told you, be form is, am, are, was, were. Are pronoun, it is called possessive pronoun. Objective case, me. Object is the receiver of the action. As I can say, he helps me. Me is receiving the action. It is called objective case. Then reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun is myself here. As I can say, I wrote this essay myself. Myself is a reflexive pronoun. Next is plural form of first person. First person plural, we, subjective case, are, possessive adjective, ours, possessive pronoun, us, objective case, ourselves, reflexive pronoun. Now second person singular, you is used for singular pronoun. You, your, yours, you, yourself. All these pronouns are singular in form. Next is second person plural, that is you. You is used for singular person, and you is as also used for plural persons. As I can say, you all go out. I can say for one person, Ali, you go out. You, your, yours, you, all are same for singular and plural, but the reflexive pronoun is changed, that is yourselves. Third person singular. Third person singular, he, his, his. Possessive adjective is his, and possessive pronoun is also his. As I can say, it is his house. Our possessive pronoun, this house is his, him, objective case, himself, reflexive pronoun. Next is she, her, hers. As I can say, it is her mobile, or this mobile is hers, her, objective case, herself. Then it is used for common genders. It, its, it, and itself is reflexive pronoun. Last but not the least is they, their, theirs, them, themselves. All these are pronouns and their kinds. Read it once again. And dear students, this question you will write in your notebooks. You will draw the table of pronouns so that you may understand all the pronouns in a very good way. Now move towards another exercise. Other than personal pronouns, we have just discussed the personal pronouns. Some other pronouns are as follows. There are some other pronouns other than personal pronouns. Here come those pronouns: each, everyone, both, all, none, nobody, one, those, some, this, others, another, these, no one, that. All these words are used as pronouns as we use personal pronouns. Now the question is regarding these pronouns. The question is, can you arrange these pronouns in the list above into two columns, one for singular and the other for plural nouns? This writing the question is on the 17th page, but this list of pronouns is on page number 16. We will not make two columns, rather we will write singular or plural in front of it, or you can write below it. Each, can you guess what each is? Is it singular or plural? It is used as singular pronoun. Each of you two can do this. Everyone is singular. Both, plural. As I can say, both of you can Both of you can go out. All, plural pronoun. None, singular pronoun. Nobody, singular. One, singular pronoun. Those, plural. Some, plural pronoun. This, singular pronoun. Others, plural pronoun. Another, singular pronoun. These, plural pronoun. No one, singular pronoun. And that is singular pronoun. Dear students, I would advise you read it once again for better understanding. I would give you the homework. The table of pronouns will be drawn in the notebooks, while the last question, that is singular and plural pronoun, you will write on the textbooks. So that is a book work. If you find any problem, if you find any question, you may contact me in the feedback group. Take care. Thank you very much.